Welcome back to Let's Talk Real with me Aziza, and today we've got someone who's basically the reason why I still open X every time. The funniest girl on the app, Ami the Kid.
Hi everyone! Thanks for having me, Aziza. Actually, I can believe people read my random tweets.
Oh, come on, your tweets are everywhere. So tell me, how did you even start being popular on X?
Honestly, out of boredom, I was ranting about how my coffee tastes like sadness, and somehow that tweet got like 5,000 likes. And I was like, wow, maybe being dramatic is my talent.
That's so on brand for X users. Did you ever expect to become famous because of your tweets?
Not at all. I was just tweeting random thoughts, and people say, this is so me. And boom, followers came like I was giving away a free tickets Hindaya concert.
That's hilarious. Speaking of which, do you ever feel pressure to keep finding new funny material? You know, the constant content cycle.
Oh, absolutely. It's the scariest part. Sometimes I stare at the draft screen for an hour and all I can think is the piece of electricity.
Relatable. But then you'll drop something like, my therapist said I need to embrace change. So I changed my phone size to 11. It's a start. Where does the inspiration even come from for those moments of brilliance?
Mostly just daily life failing me. If something mildly annoying happens, my first thought isn't how do I fix this? It's how do I turn this into uh, 218 characters of gold? It's a defense mechanism, I think.
Oh, a highly profitable defense mechanism. Alright, real talk. Is being funny online as fun as it looks?
Sometimes, but also no. People expect you to be funny 24/7. And I'm like, bro, sometimes I would just want to be depressed in peace.
Mood. So how do you deal with people who reply with hate or negative comments?
I just ignore them or turn them into a joke. If someone says, you're not funny, I reply, neither is my GPA, but here we are. It works.
That's a brilliant clapback strategy. But does the negativity or genuinely get to you? Because under the Emmy, the kid brand, you're still a person.
Oh, yeah, of course. There are days where a mean reply, even if just one, it can ruin the whole vibe. It's hard to remember that they are replying a character, not me. That's why the lock up strategy is a key. You have to secretly remove the screen.
That makes sense. It's like closing the stage door after a show. The applause is over and you just want to be a regular.
That's such point.
Ah, okay, do you think social media like X is still a positive space?
Depends. It can be fun if you don't take things too seriously. But if you scroll too long, you will start questioning about your entire life. So yeah, a tweet, laugh, and then log out.
That's actually a healthy mindset. Last question. What's your advice for people who wanna go viral on X like you?
Just be real. Don't try too hard. Tweet what you actually think, even if it's dumb. People can tell when it's fake. And remember, not every tweet has to be deep. Sometimes it's just I want a boiled nugget.
Love that. Ami, before we wrap up, what's next for Ami the Kid? Any plans to write a book of your best tweet, maybe?
Uh, Honestly, I'm just riding the wave. Maybe a book, maybe a podcast where I just complain about my coffee for an hour. Whatever happens, it will definitely be documented on X, probably with unnecessary capital letters.
Well, we will be waiting. Thank you so much for joining us today, Ami.
Thank you for having me too, Aziza. I'll probably tweet about this later. So stay tuned.
Can't wait to see that. Alright, everyone. That's all for today's episode of Let's Talk Real. Don't forget to love, touch some grass, and stay off the app once in a while. See ya!
Yeah.
Woo!